I remember drinking matcha tea was very serious to me during my battle. Whenever someone would ask, hey, what is it that you need? Is it something that I can get for you? I would always say, hey, just bring me some tea. All right, so I know the problem is drinking right. For many, that could be a little difficult because we love our sodas, we love our alcohol, we love our juice, our punches. But this objective is going to be targeting drinking tea every day for ultimate health. We're going to be talking about its benefits and how it's helped me specifically. And I'm going to show you in this video more about how many times you should be drinking tea, okay? Now, I know you guys are like, what's the hype on tea? Is it really all that? Tell me. Come on now, healthy professor. Regularly drinking green tea specifically can help you lose weight and reduce your risk of several diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. When we talk about the benefits of green tea, specifically, we are talking about catechins. Catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. Now, brewing with freshly boiled water for 2 to 3 minutes, as per the instructions, it's going to extract about 60% of the catechins and 75% of the caffeine. I also discovered that the pH of water also impacts the extraction process in green tea. So low pH, which is acidic water, extracts bioactives better than high pH basic water. So a good rule of thumb is to squeeze the lemon with your tea rather than after it's brewed. For the longer you brew, the more bioactives you get, but also the stronger the taste. Now that leads us into matcha tea. Matcha tea is very, very, very bitter. In fact, to me, it's just disgusting. Now, personally, I drink tea as much as possible. Research shows at least 3 to 4 times a day is recommended, but it doesn't hurt to drink more. Now, seeing this bag gives me a sense of nostalgia, making me think back to when I was in the hospital at the cancer center, and I would make it a big deal if I couldn't get tea that day. I remember whipping out my bag and grabbing my green tea capsules and telling my doctors which meds I no longer wanted to take. And when I look back on this, my choices, all I can say is wow. Wow. And those choices back then have led me to my new healthy lifestyle choices today. Hey y'all, so I'm just over here chilling on this rainy day, having some more tea, just lit. You know it's time for some more tea, so can you put me on some tea? Now, what's best for you to drink, that means that you're gonna have to learn your dosha, so you can understand more on what your body needs, on what your specific body needs, so you can determine which herbs is best for you, okay? So now as far as me, I chose matcha because during my research, I found how many reports linked it to curing cancer. But scientifically speaking, it inhibited the growth of cancer, keeping cancer cells dormant by knocking out their energy supply and prohibiting them from refueling. What better drink is sugar-free, fat-free, calorie-free? So guess what? It's all great for weight loss. In fact, you should check out my recommended video where I show you how to make a delicious, healthy drink specifically to drop pounds fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful and maybe it was your cup of tea. And give me a sub because I have tons of health tips to share. See you soon.